Hello everyone, welcome back to the course of developing machine learning systems. Right now we are in the Python module, and in this video we're going to learn about comments. What are comments in Python? So let's get started. Let's say I have written a statement called a is equal to 1 and then I write a plus 4. Whatever value I'm getting after doing a plus 4, I am reassigning that to a back. So a plus 4, whatever a plus 4 will be, it will be reassigned to a. Okay. And then again, let's check the value of a. So value of a is 5. But let's say I don't want this statement to get executed. So one way of doing that is I just remove this statement. So value of a will be 1 again. But I want this statement to be present here, but it should not be the part of execution. It should get ignored by the interpreter. So how can I do that? I can use something called as comment. So if I write a hash in front of this statement, you see the color of the statement gets changed. So right now this becomes a comment. What are comments? Comments are the lines that we have in a Python code which at the time of execution gets ignored. So whatever you write inside a comment, that will be there in the code, but it will not be used when you are executing that code. So whenever interpreter will execute your code one by one, it will ignore the comments. It will not take comments as the part of execution. So right now, if I run this code again, the value of a will be 1 only because value of a is not updated. If I remove this comment, the value of a will be 5 because I changed the value of a here in this statement. This comment, this type of comment is called inline comments. So this is just one line comment. I mean, I can add hash here. So this will comment this line only. So it will not, let's say, update the next line. So I have a next line again where I'm again updating the value, and this time I'm subtracting 5 from it. So it will give -4. So this statement is not getting executed, but this statement is getting executed. So how can you comment multiple lines? So one way is add hash in front of every line, but that becomes a redundant task. So you need to go to every line and add hash in front of it. One way to create multi-line comments is using triple quotes. So you can write triple quotes like that. So triple quotes at the starting of the lines which you want to comment, and then again add triple quotes at the end of the line which you want to end. So whatever lines you have inside the triple quotes will be treated as comments and will not be the part of execution. So you see, both of the lines are getting ignored. If I take this line outside from these triple quotes, so you can see, just give me a minute. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna paste this here. So now this is the area which is commented. Whatever we have inside these triple quotes is commented. So right now this line is outside that area. So this will be considered for execution. If I cut this and paste it back, if I cut this and paste it back inside the comment area, this line will not be executed. So comments are the line of code which are ignored by the interpreter at the time of execution. What is the benefit of having comments? One benefit is that it is used for debugging. It is used for trying to find out the errors in the code. So let's say if I want to check what is the effect of this line on my code, so I can uncomment and comment it back. So I can see the difference in between in the output that happens because of this line. Second benefit, second benefit is to add meaningful lines in the code. So let's say if I created 10 lines, if I have written 10 lines of code, I can add a comment at the top of those 10 lines and I can explain what those 10 lines are doing. So for example, let's say I have this line of code here. So I can add an inline comment at the top of it and I can explain what is happening here. Below mentioned line subtracts 5 from A and replace the value again in A. So this is the explanation of what is happening below. So that is how you can use comments in the programming languages. Every programming language has a different way to create comments, and that's how you can do it in Python. Thanks for watching this video. Let's see you in the next video.